Welcome to Patra, a leading tech-enabled insurance processing provider leveraging cutting-edge technology and delivering premier customer experiences across the industry. Patra's core values, honesty, integrity, and respect, are embedded in every aspect of our company culture and define how we operate across the globe. With over 5,000 employees, we believe that creating an environment where our employees are happy, safe, and valued empowers our Patra family to best support each other, our partners, and customers. We are innovative. We are collaborative. We are Patra. Learn what it's like to work in our India region and why we are recognized as one of the top employers of choice across our industry.
Patra's India regional offices and remote workforce span across Raipur, Visakhapatnam, Coimbatore, Bhilai, Hyderabad and Warangal. No matter which office you are in, you will find yourself surrounded by energetic and driven team members committed to supporting one another and delivering exceptional customer experiences. With a hybrid workforce, we make it easy for employees to set up at home, and for those in office, we make it easy to love workplace. Here in India offices, employees experience open and modern workspace, working whiteboards and large conference rooms for easy collaboration, a cafeteria with hot food and beverages easily accessible.
Patra's leadership team does not underestimate the value of team building and creates many opportunities for employees to come together, share new ideas, motivate one another, promote creative thinking, and of course have a little fun. Whether it's a team event or at a local resort or simply playing a game of chess, caroms or foosball in our indoor game room. We are all about teamwork. Our workplace culture is designed for employee success. Whether remote or in the office, we offer competitive benefits and pathway for ongoing learning, leadership training, certification, and promotion opportunities.
Patra recognizes the challenges women face in the workforce, and we are dedicated to creating equitable opportunities. We want to make it easy for women to seek and explore career opportunities. Here at Patra, offering family benefits and ongoing personal and professional development opportunities. We continue to build a strong network of leaders and organizations that are focused on empowering women in the workforce.
We are extremely passionate about supporting our local communities, prioritize hosting and volunteering for corporate social responsibility events throughout the year. We strategically partner with our NGOs that help address the most pressing social issues for underprivileged children, women and families, as well as environmental sustainability. From awareness campaign to beach cleanup days, we are committed to making an impact.
Are you ready to explore a career with Patra? Be a part of dynamic and innovative company.
Check us out at www.patracorp.com. Your dream job is waiting for you.